Yo, what up? Welcome back to the vlog. Today is just going to be an easy day, easy little install. I picked up an exhaust for the car. It was a really good deal. Something I didn't want to pass up. So we're going to go ahead and get that thrown on the car right now. Fuck what these niggas talking about, motherfucker. Got to get that bread. First thing we're going to do, bro, we're going to get this part off. We're going to take this off, leave that, and then we're going to try to knock out this one. And then just pop these off, bro. You're gonna have to help me hold this motherfucker.
Alright.
Or we can get that that fucking, what you call it? The little, like that little stand thing. To hold that shit. Oh, this shit heavy as fuck too. Bro, the cool thing is, all these are like 13s. Like you get under here, like all these are 13s. Oh. When you say use the stock one, bro, the stock one is welded on here.
Is it?
Yeah. Bro, Curtis tripping, bro. Curtis, he tripping. Alright, bro, you ready to help me take this shit down?
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550.
So I bought this, I bought my exhaust used, and they told me to use this clamp, but apparently this is welded in there, so I have to like chop this out and then put it on the other exhaust. How this works, this Supra, this exhaust valve, when you put it in sport mode, there's this little motor. What it's going to do, it's going to turn this and it's going to open it. I don't know if you can see down in here. So that see that valve turn right there? So when it goes in sport mode, it goes like that, opens up, and then it closes. You can barely see it, but this is how this little exhaust valve works. Now it's just gonna be loud. It's gonna be loud all the time.
5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
But that's crazy. Your automatic windows don't work when the fucking when the shit is off. That shit sound hella quiet though. You got Oh, we back home. We got it on there. We got it to sit really good. We got it to sit really good, really even. I've seen a lot of other people with Tomei, and it's like dangling down, or it's like over that. Look, all you got to do is the little clamp under here, that little clamp. If you want the exhaust to sit up, if you want the exhaust to come down, right, you pull this little clamp right here this way. If you want it to sit up, you just push it up. That's all you got to do. One of my homeboys showed me that little trick, and this worked out really good. The exhaust sound, I'll put the exhaust clips in here too, but yeah, the Tomei. But that's it. If you like the content, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Come back and check it out. Peace.